how to add a background blur to a picture with face effects editing on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery, then open up the picture that you want to add in the background blur. Next, tap on the edit button, then tap on tools. Now tap on face effects. Next, we swipe across and then tap on background blur. At the bottom here, drag on the slider bar and choose how much blur effects you want to apply to the background. So here we can have up to 8. So we can drag it all the way to level 8, and that will make the background quite blurry. And if I drag it down a little bit, and you can see it will make the background slightly blurry, but not too much. So you can control how much blur to add to the background of your picture. And that's it. So that is how you can add a blur background to a photo with using face effects on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. After that, tap on done, then tap on the save button, or you can tap on the more button and then choose save as copy. And that's it. So here is the one without the background blur, and this is the one with a background blur. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.